In this question, a company is going through 2-for-1 stock split, and you're being asked what George's position will look like after the split. Specifically, how many of the new shares he will own, what will each new share be worth, and what would the total value of the new shares be? Here at SeeWhy, we love to use analogies that students can relate to. For example, pretty much everyone has gone into a bank or store at some point to make change. First, I want to point out something that should be obvious. If you walk into a bank with $20 and want to make change, after doing so, you're going to have a total of $20. No more, no less. Keep that in mind because it can often help you eliminate an answer or two. So, let's think what would happen if you walk into the bank with a $20 bill and ask the teller to split it into 2 bills. What would you receive? 2 10s, right? This means you would have twice as many bills. Each new bill will be worth $10, which is half as much as the old bill. The total value would be the same though, right? You'd still have $20. Let's apply this logic to George's shares that went through a 2-for-1 split. Prior to the split, George had 100 shares that were worth $20 each, for a total of $2,000. After the 2-for-1 split, he would have twice as many shares, which is 200 shares. Each new share would be worth $10, which is half as much as an old share. And if he had 200 shares worth $10, that still totals $2,000. We select that answer, and we are correct!